Hello, so today I'm going to show you how to install the SmartEdge Smart Door Lock. After removing your previous door lock, you should see the bore hole, which is the bigger hole on the front and back of the door, and the cross bore, which is on the side. The bore hole should be 54 millimeters in diameter according to the new building code. You can confirm this using the card found with the SmartEdge Smart Door Lock. If your door is old, the bore hole may be smaller, in which case you can expand it using the Ruby wood and metal door lock installation kit, which can be found at Home Depot. Okay, so let's begin. We'll start with the latch. When inserting the latch into the crossbore, make sure the up arrow is pointing up and that the latch is parallel to the edges of the door. If the back set, which is the distance between the center of the borehole and the edge of the door, is 6 centimeters, then you can use the latch right away. If the back set is 7 centimeters, then you'll have to adjust the length of the latch by twisting its body, pulling it out, and then twisting it back. As you can see, the black circle on the latch should be at the center of the borehole. Use these screws to secure the latch in place. Next is the exterior assembly. Make sure the upside down T is aligned with the corresponding hole on the black circle. The deadbolts should be fully retracted. When inserting the exterior assembly into the borehole on the outside facing side of the door, make sure the cable is routed from underneath the latch. Now you can hold on to the exterior assembly and test to see if the deadbolt extends and retracts smoothly. If not, make sure the latch is aligned to the edges of the door. If the motion is smooth, then that means everything up until now should be installed correctly. Next is the interior assembly. After taking off the battery cover, remove these two screws. Separate the metal plate and route the cable through the rectangular hole. When securing the metal plate in place using these screws, make sure the metal plate is parallel to the edge of the door. You can test the deadbolt's motion again. When putting on the remaining piece, attach the cable while making sure that the blue sides are touching. Feed the cable back into the door and make sure the upside down T's are aligned. Secure the interior assembly in place using these screws. Now, before inserting the batteries, make sure to not extend the deadbolt. Make sure the deadbolt is fully retracted. Now we can insert 4 AA batteries. Make sure to not use rechargeable ones. After inserting the last battery, you'll hear a long beep and see a green dot flash on the touchscreen keypad. Slide across the touchscreen keypad to activate it and press the lock icon. Do this while the door is in an open state. It'll determine which side the door opens on. Now you can extend and retract the deadbolt again. The reset button is found under the batteries. Pressing and holding it for 5 seconds factory resets the door lock. After putting the battery cover back on, we're done. One last thing is that we'll have to check that the deadbolt extends and retracts smoothly while the door is in a closed state. If not, we'll also have to readjust the hole in the door frame. And that's about it. See ya. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to pair the SmartEdge Smart Door Lock with your phone or tablet, as well as demonstrate some of its features. Before pairing this lock with your phone, we'll need to make sure your router supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and it's connected to the Wi-Fi network. To pair this lock with your phone, we'll first need to install the MySmartEdge app. Then we'll need to register an account. And now we'll need to log in. Before pairing the lock, we should first go to the Me tab to complete home information. And now we can go back to the Home tab to pair the lock. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on and the app has permission to use it. Okay, so this lock can be unlocked using 3 different methods, but first we can rename it and assign it a location. The first method is using a password which you can create and assign to members. This lock doesn't come with any existing passwords, and up to 10 unique passwords can be created at a time. Passwords assigned to other members can be assigned an effective period. You can choose to receive notifications, which can be an additional security feature. The dynamic password is another type of password that can be randomly generated and is only effective for 5 minutes. If a friend is dropping something off and you aren't home, you can text them the dynamic password so after they use it, it expires soon. The second method is directly using your phone to remotely unlock the lock. And the third method is using the physical key. Opening record is where you can see who used what method to unlock the door at what time. Any password remembered can be edited or deleted at any time. If a wrong password is entered 5 times, the keypad will be locked for 90 seconds and a notification will be sent to your phone. To exit this mode immediately, remove the batteries for more than 5 seconds and then reinsert them. To factory reset this lock, press and hold the set button for more than 5 seconds and release after you hear 5 short beeps followed by a long beep. Okay, so the Smart Lock Gateway enables long-distance access to all of the app's functions. To pair the gateway with your lock, we'll first need to plug it in and pair it with your phone. Make sure it's within Bluetooth distance to the lock. And now we can pair it with your lock through the app. And yeah, that's about it.